Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. Wrapping it up for the night. I've been working on my 99 Yamaha R1 back there, doing everything on it. Rebuilt the carbs twice, changing out every single thing on it because it hasn't been running in years and I'm trying to get it up and running again. I haven't worked on motorcycles in decades either, so this is a big refresher for me, but it's coming back and I'm learning new things, so that's good. But in the meantime, I have my EX30 here and I wanted to show you the Grizzla stand. I've been really curious about the Grizzla stand and they sent me one, and I'm going to show you how it is, and it does hold my EX30. So let me go ahead and switch the view around so I can show you how that works. All right, so here's EX30, big wheel. Here's it on the stand. You've got two pillars, the thingies right there holding the wheel up, and then two bridges, okay? And it's $39.12. And if you use my code, my Grizzla Pro Champion, you get 10% off, so I'll make it $35. Add it, throw one in with your order because I really like that stand and I think it'll work for most wheels. It's a universal stand and there are different settings. So let me get the wheel off of it. Oh, I guess I'll show you how it's not the most stable. I mean, the EX30 is only being balanced on that, the pedal hanger, right? But let's see, it's stable enough. And it's actually about as stable as a lot of my other stands. I was hoping for someone I was looking for something like super duper stable that I can like really work on the wheel with and like shove it around and it won't budge and that kind of thing. So this isn't it, but I also have a need just to have a simple stand that can fold flat, and I can just set the wheel on it and know that it's secure, you know, just sitting there. Because a lot of the other stands, I put it on and then I come back and it's fallen over or something like that. So this one seems like it is very sturdy. And if I set the wheel on here, I don't have to come out to a fallen wheel later on. All right, so here it is, very simple. It is stable and square. The thickness, it's really nice. What is this? A little over half an inch. Yeah, a little over half an inch thickness. How tall is it from the ground? It is about 7 1/4 inches tall. Right now, I think there's two settings. You can hook up to the bridge. The bridge is this one. So you can hook up the pillars here, and I guess you could do a combination, but I don't know why it'd be off center. But so you got these two, and then you got these two. And let's see, the outer edges of the smaller size is 6 3/4 from outer edge to outer edge. Inner edge to inner edge is 5 1/2 inches. And then for the outer one, the outer edge is about 9 1/8 of an inch. And the inner is about 7 and a little over, let's see, a little over 7 3/8 of an inch. I mean, 3/4 of an inch. So 7 3/4 of an inch inner for the outer settings. Really easy to take apart. All you do is pull the bridge towards you, and same to put it on. I put it in, okay, disclaimer, I don't know if this is how you actually do it, but this is working for me. So I put it in at an angle and then snap it in, and it actually snaps when it goes in. It has, I don't know if you can see that. It actually grabs a hold over there as well. So it is very secure. It's very lightweight. So this is what I was talking about. It actually hooks onto here. So it snaps into here, slide it into there, and then snap it into there. So that's what it looks like. You can order, yeah, you can take this off individually too. Just pull the bridge towards you. You can order the pillars in one color and then the bridge in a different color. Here is the finish on it. I think it's gorgeous. So you can tell that's the outside and then this is the inside. I've always been really pleased with the Grizzla quality. So that's it. All right, so here's what the bottom looks like. All right, so once again, let's see, how do we do this now? I'm gonna put it on the outside just so you guys can see. So you can do this individually, of course. So hook it and then snap it. Okay, so what is great about this one is that it's so easy, but it's super secure. Oops. All right, this one. Put them both in. Snap both together. Come on. Why won't you snap? Oh, this wasn't in all the way. Okay. So what's great about this one is that you have adjustability. It can break apart and put back together again super easy. So one of my complaints about my wood stands is when I'm not using them, they take up so much space and there is no breaking them down. This one, you can break it down, have it flat, easy to store when you're not using it. If you need to travel, if you need to, you know, whatever, you can throw it into a bag, carry with you. It's very lightweight. It's really easy. What is not so great about it, I do like stands that you can roll the wheel right onto. And not have to lift it. This one, I do have to lift the wheel onto this. It's not too big a deal, but that is a feature. So you can't roll onto this. Let's see. It is not the type of stand that holds the wheel so securely that you can, you know, really work on the wheel and stuff like that. But to be fair, I haven't found a stand like that yet. I think that, I don't know, I guess most people work on their wheels having it laying down and stuff like that, and I mean that's perfectly fine. It's just I guess because I come from this background and you see how my bike is on stands, it doesn't have any tires on it, any wheels on it right now, it doesn't have forks on it. It's completely held up by stands and it's completely secure. And that's my background. I like having my things on stands and then working on them when I work on them. So I'm still looking for something like that. Doesn't seem to exist just yet. I don't know. I like everything about it. The price is good. $35 if you use my coupon champion. I think that's it. I think there are other options out there. I don't know of any other. I haven't tried any other printed options. This is my first printed option that I've tried, and I really like it. Oops, I put that on backwards, didn't I? Yeah, I put this on with the ugly side facing out. It's supposed to be with the pretty side facing out. But there you go. I would recommend it. I like it. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.